Alright class, so today we're going to compare two fractions by using two different methods. We're going to compare the fractions 3/4 and 1/2 by first converting them to decimals. This is our method number one. So in order to do this one, we're just going to do 3 divided by 4. Which is going to give us 75 hundredths. And then we're going to do 1 divided by 2. Which is going to give us 5/10. So once you convert these two into decimals, you can compare them. And you'll see that 3/4 is greater than 1/2 because you look at the tens place, and the tens place on this one is a 7, which is greater than the tens place on this one, which is a 5. So since this tens place is greater, that means that 3/4 is greater than 1/2. Okay, and then the second method we're going to use is a common denominator. So you have to get a common denominator. So I'm going to multiply 3/4 by 2/2. And that's going to give us 6/8. And I multiply by 2/2 in order to get an equivalent fraction. And then 1/2, I'm going to multiply by 4/4, which is going to give us 4/8. And I multiply by 4/4 to get an equivalent fraction. And once you get the common denominator, you can compare them because the denominator tells you that they both have the same number of equally sized pieces in the whole. So then you can just look at the numerators. So you can look at 6 and 4. So you know that 3/4 is greater than 1/2 because the numerator is a 6, which is greater than the numerator in 1/2. So since this numerator is greater, that means that this fraction is greater because that tells you that it has more copies of the unit fraction than this one does. So again, 3/4 is greater than 1/2.